Here in our US factory, we begin by unrolling the finest synthetic leather.
Once unrolled, the synthetic rubber is meticulously inspected under bright light, searching for even the smallest surface defects.
Synthetic sheets are systematically graded with color tags before moving on to production.
We run a tensile strength test on every lot.
This strip will show how the material holds up under stress.
To ensure durability, we pair the synthetic leather with a high-quality polyester and cotton blend backing material.
The first step is validating the material. We check the texture and hold it to the light.
To create a durable football, the synthetic leather must be perfectly aligned with the backing sheets.
Here in the chemical preparation area, we carefully measure the latex and urethane. This adhesive is crucial for bonding the panels of the football.
The lamination process is critical. The synthetic leather panels are bonded under intense heat and pressure.
Protective film is carefully smoothed over the panels. This ensures the bladder and fabric layers bond correctly in the lamination machine.
This is where the synthetic leather meets the backing fabric. The lamination machine uses heat and pressure to create a durable bond.
Next, the layered sheets enter the heated press. Under immense pressure and controlled heat,
Once the panels are laminated, they move along this cooling conveyor, where large industrial fans stabilize the material's temperature.
every laminated sheet undergoes a rigorous inspection. We check for any air bubbles or separation to ensure the highest quality football.
Once the synthetic leather is laminated, workers carefully align the sheets. This precision is crucial before the bulk cutting stage. Once laminated, the sheets are carefully moved to storage. They must be kept perfectly flat before they are
Once the laminated sheets arrive, they are carefully placed under the cutting die. Precision is key here to ensure the panels are uniform. Next, the pentagon-shaped panels are carefully collected and arranged, ensuring the classic design structure is maintained before assembly.
Using this specialized template, the worker adds tiny alignment marks, guiding the graphic placement in the next stage.
Quality control is paramount. Here, we check the synthetic leather for any imperfections before stitching.
Every panel set receives a unique production batch tag right here. This ensures complete traceability throughout the manufacturing process.
The tagged panels are carefully placed into these climate-controlled racks, awaiting the next step in the stitching process.
The first step of decoration is loading the panels precisely into the screen printing frames. This ensures the graphics are applied correctly. Perfect alignment is crucial. Once the panels are set, the squeegee pulls the thick ink across the screen, precisely transferring the logo onto the surface. Here, the premium ink is spread smoothly across the screen with a squeegee, ensuring the design adheres perfectly to the leather. Once the dye and stripes are applied, the panels enter the curing section. Intense UV and heat lamps ensure the ink bonds permanently to the synthetic leather.
This meticulous inspection ensures that every football meets the highest standards before moving to the stitching phase.
When a panel doesn't meet our strict standards, it comes here for reprinting. It's all part of our commitment to quality.
Here in the drying room, patience is key. The freshly printed panels rest on mesh trays.
At the labeling station, the printed panels receive their routing tags. This organized step ensures continuity as they head toward the next assembly stage.
Once the panels are printed, they are moved to the stitching and bonding section to begin the assembly phase. Inside the compression mold, the rubber bladder is inflated. A precise steel pin then punches the valve opening. Here we see the careful insertion of the air valve into the newly formed rubber bladder. This delicate step ensures the football will hold its pressure.
Next, the football moves to the sealing station. Our workers use a specialized tool to apply the adhesive, ensuring the ball holds air for years to come. Under bright light, the worker slowly rotates each bladder. This tactile inspection is crucial for checking the roundness and uniform thickness of the material. Here we see the bladders taking a brief, calm pause on the storage racks before they are moved to the assembly line for panel integration.
Here at the decision workstation, the supervisor determines which materials meet our rigorous quality standards before assembly.
The panels are carefully sorted into two groups, those that will be stitched and those destined for the thermo-bonding process.
We utilize two primary methods for construction: traditional stitching with durable nylon thread, and before production begins, each machine must be recalibrated.
Align the panels precisely under the needle.
What about the gauge setting for the bladder?
Keep it steady at 150 psi for a perfect bond.
Precision is key. These first two panels must be perfectly aligned before they move on to the stitching machine.
It takes concentration and precision to pull the panels tight, forming the perfect sphere.
The first step is threading the needle, ensuring the durable nylon passes smoothly through the thick leather. This meticulous
We pay close attention to these seams, reinforcing the critical joints to make sure every ball is built to last.
The worker carefully rotates the growing ball, continuing the stitching process. Pulling the waxed thread taut helps for the adhesions. The worker carefully inserts the bladder and valve through the panel opening. The final step is lacing the seam.
The bladder opening is a sensitive section requiring tight, precise stitches to hold it firmly in place.
Here at the sewing station, the precisely cut panels are stitched together. The automated machine handles the heavy lifting.
Before the stitching can begin, the worker must ensure millimeter precision, carefully aligning the pebbled panels under the machine's foot.
Ensuring uniform results requires constant monitoring. The technician fine-tunes the tension for the thick synthetic leather.
Here we see the bladder port being carefully opened. This crucial step ensures a perfect fit for the inflatable bladder inside the leather shell. As the footballs move along the conveyor, this sensor unit automatically checks the stitching consistency, guaranteeing perfect quality every time.
The machine stitches the panels with pinpoint accuracy. Notice how it automatically halts right at the valve fitting area.
Here at the American factory, every seam is personally inspected for tightness and durability.
Once stitched, the balls move to the tagging station, where a unique code is applied for quality control and tracking.
Careful preparation is essential before the bonding begins. We clean the edges to remove any remaining dust. The next step is crucial. We apply a thin, even layer of our specialized thermal adhesive along the edges of each panel.
The adhesive-lined panels are meticulously positioned within the heated mold. This precision is essential for creating.
With the panels loaded, the heavy molds engage. This is where heat and tons of pressure bond the materials together permanently. The bladder must be inserted with careful timing into the partially bonded structure just before the hydraulic press seals the mold. The hydraulic press separates, revealing the newly bonded football. A robotic arm transfers the hot ball. Here we see the worker slowly inserting the rubber bladder into the football shell. This requires delicate handling and focused precision to align the valve. Here at the inflation station, the bladder gets its first breath of air, starting the process of shaping the football. The seam around the valve must be secured firmly to the outer material, ensuring a perfect seal before it moves to the lacing department.
Before the laces go in, each ball is slowly rotated by hand. We use our fingertips to feel the bladder inside, verifying it's smooth and centered.
The mold now begins the crucial heating phase. Under immense pressure, the rubber is vulcanized, locking in the
This is where the true craftsmanship comes in. By gently pressing along the seams, we can detect and correct any...
Here, the worker installs the reinforcing rings internally. This subtle but crucial step enhances the ball's strength and ensures durability on the field.
Once the press finishes its cycle, the mold is carefully opened, and the newly formed ball is gently removed and set aside to cool.
Once molded, each ball requires careful hand trimming to ensure a perfect finish before moving on to the lacing department.
Once stitched, the ball arrives at the cleaning station. Using a microfiber cloth and specialized solution, once the leather shell is complete, it moves to the spray booth. Here, a precise anti-water coating is applied. The final stage is quality control. We meticulously inspect each ball, ensuring the printed logos and pattern.
Here at Station 107, the ball undergoes subtle refinement. A gentle brushing ensures the texture and feel are absolutely consistent.
Here at the QC station, careful verification is essential. We scan the barcode and cross-reference it with the...
Once complete, each football is carefully weighed to ensure it meets the league's strict requirements. Consistency is key.
The worker carefully presses the appropriate size marking onto the ball surface. This ensures clear specification marking before the final inspection.
With meticulous care, the limited edition stamps are precisely applied, differentiating these select balls in a...
To ensure quality, the footballs undergo a rigorous bounce test. We measure the rebound against the height guide for consistency.
The process begins with stitching the durable synthetic panels. Once sewn, we inflate the bladder, giving the football its final shape and firmness.
After the bladder is inserted, we move to the roundness test. This rig uses multiple contact points.
After the initial inflation, the pressure gauge is carefully monitored. The ball then rests, undergoing a crucial reliability test before final approval.
Here in the testing area, we verify the football's integrity. The bounce height is carefully measured against the guide to guarantee consistent performance.
Every football undergoes a rigorous inspection. We check the print alignment and graphic positioning with meticulous detail.
After passing inspection, each ball is tagged. The technician then scans the barcode to ensure data consistency with the QC records.
Once the stitching is complete, we move to the labeling station. Every brand and model label is precisely affixed by hand, right here in the USA.
Here at the marking station, the appropriate size stamp is carefully applied. This ensures every ball meets official regulations before moving down the line.
Here in the stamping department, precision is everything. We apply the limited edition emblems using a specialized heat press.
To ensure safe transport, we slightly deflate each football. Once bagged, each football is carefully placed into its box, ready for...
Welcome to our USA factory. The making of each football involves...
The ball is gently rolled under the pattern tool to create the anti-slip surface texture. The process begins with our hydraulic presses stamping the panels.
Every ball is fitted with a tiny RFID tracking chip, carefully embedded between the layers.
Here we apply the crucial UV protective layer, ensuring durability for
This is the surface treatment stage. The ball is gently rolled under these pattern tools.
Here at the inspection desk, we ensure the customized designs meet our rigorous quality. From the sewing room, the completed footballs are moved to shipping. Here, from the factory floor, the finished pallets are loaded onto trucks, beginning their final stage of the process. Pallets of freshly made American footballs are secured and loaded.
The final step is the personalized quality check. We compare the
Quality control is the final crucial step. Here,
Before the materials are cut, every batch must pass rigorous safety and...
After meticulous crafting on the factory floor, the final stage is quality.
The data shows
The data shows a slight inconsistency here in the seam durability.
This synthetic leather passed the abrasion test.
It's for the same person. The data shows a slight dip in efficiency on the lap.
Once bagged, each football is carefully placed into its box, ready for...